Hey guys, this is Lindsay GTV. I want to show you a video of me walking my dog Buddy right outside. My dog loves going for walks, and when I said, Buddy, you want to go for a walk, he just got so excited and started running down the driveway. Where are you going? Oh, that's nice. Come on, let's go over here. Come over here. Let's go over here. Come on, wait. Oops. Oopsie. Over here. Come on. Over here. Come on. Buddy, come. Buddy, come here. Hey. Come on. Come on. Spring. Over here. Come on. Go over here. No, buddy, come on. No, come this way. Come here. Let's go get a cookie. Come on. Come on, boy. No, come over here. No, we don't want to go see Sadie. Come on. He sees the dog down the street. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on. He gets so sidetracked. Come over here, you big baby. No, you cannot go see the other puppy doggy. Come here. Come on.